The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just a motorhome, it is the definition of American luxury reimagined for the open road. Cadillac has always stood for elegance, prestige, and innovation, and now that same DNA has been stretched into a rolling masterpiece that transforms long journeys into first-class experiences. From the outside, the design is unmistakably Cadillac. The bold shield-shaped grille sits front and center, surrounded by vertical LED light blades that give it a futuristic signature glow. The body lines are sharp yet graceful, flowing smoothly along the extended frame. Chrome accents glimmer across the window trim and side mirrors, while the rear showcases a seamless integration of Cadillac's signature vertical taillights. Riding on massive chrome wheels with a sculpted stance, this motorhome doesn't just blend in on the road, it dominates it with presence. Step inside, and you enter a world that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. The lounge is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, with diamond-quilted seating that reclines fully into plush beds at the touch of a button. Genuine wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of sophistication that surrounds every passenger in pure comfort. The panoramic windows stretch nearly floor to ceiling, giving breathtaking views of your journey while filling the interior with natural light. At night, the cabin transforms into a serene escape with customizable lighting that sets the mood, whether you want calm relaxation or vibrant energy. The kitchen is a chef's dream, blending practicality with elegance. Marble-inspired countertops, an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and hidden storage compartments make it as functional as it is stylish. Cadillac's designers have ensured that everything feels seamless, no clutter, no compromise, just clean, modern luxury. Move toward the rear, and you'll find the Cadillac Suite. A king-size bed wrapped in ultra-soft fabrics invites you to rest in pure comfort. Surrounding it are softly backlit panels, personal climate controls, and hidden storage that keeps the space clean and minimal. The ensuite bathroom continues the luxury theme with rainfall showers, touchless fixtures, and a spa-like ambience that feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. Technology is everywhere, but it never overwhelms. A massive curved OLED display serves as the command center, controlling everything from lighting and climate to navigation and entertainment. Cadillac's AI concierge responds to your voice, assisting with directions, adjusting settings, or even curating playlists to match your journey. For entertainment, a 3D surround sound system immerses the cabin in crystal-clear audio, while streaming options keep you connected to everything you love. Powering the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a hybrid V8 powertrain paired with electric motors, offering both raw strength and quiet efficiency. On the highway, it glides with the silence of a luxury sedan, while still delivering the torque needed to handle its massive size with ease. Adaptive air suspension smooths out rough roads, and advanced driver assistance systems, including hands-free driving on compatible highways, ensure safety and convenience are always prioritized. But what truly sets this Cadillac Motorhome apart is the sense of prestige it brings. It's not just about traveling, it's about arriving. Every detail, from the exterior styling to the handcrafted interior, tells the world that this is more than a motorhome. It's a rolling symbol of success, freedom, and Cadillac's enduring vision of luxury. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is the future of high-end travel. It's a moving mansion, a private retreat, and a statement of elegance that carries you anywhere you want to go, without ever leaving behind the comfort of home.